Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to create a VHM in cPanel. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official cPanel website right here, cpanel.net, if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where in the upper right corner, you can get started managing your account. So you have the option to go ahead and register for a new account if you do not already have one. And if you have one, you can just go ahead and log in. And after logging in successfully, you can get started setting up cPanel on your computer. So once you have set up, everything is going to look like this. You'll be able to go ahead and access your dashboard where you can find all the settings you have, such as your email, files, databases, domains, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how we can get started creating a VHM account. Basically, guys, as you can see here, we have an article on the official cPanel website taking a look at how to go ahead and get started with VHM, how to prepare your VHM, and how to transfer it to your website. Basically, guys, you're going to go ahead and need a license, and then you want to follow the steps right here. So this is going to be the URL address that's going to go ahead and enable you to log into VHM. So you're going to go ahead and create a new account. So from this interface right here, you're going to go ahead and have the option to create a new account if you don't have one, and if you do have one, you can just log in. So then you can enter in your username and password and log in and get started with accessing VHM. From then, you can go ahead and follow all the steps that you can find right here in this article on how to get started setting up your hostname, your DNS resolvers, and everything that you need to set up VHM with cPanel. So if you need any more info for troubleshooting or problems, you just want to go right here to docs.cpanel.net and search for VHM. This is going to give you a lot of articles helping you on what you can do, and you can access it all from here in the dashboard to get started with VHM, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.